नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य व्याकरणशास्त्रप्रवेशकक्षायाः 53तमं दिनम्। अस्तु, अग्रिमं सूत्रम् अहन् इति सूत्रम्। अहन् एतत् सूत्रम् अस्माकं पाठ्यक्रमे नास्ति, परन्तु तस्य अध्ययनम् आवश्यकम् इति कारणेन मया तत् स्वीकृतम्। तत्र अहन् सूत्रं किम्? एतत् सूत्रं ससेशरुः इत्यस्मात् परं विद्यमानं सूत्रम् अहन् इति। अत्र अहन् शब्दस्य ऋत्वं भवति इति सूत्रस्य अर्थः। अहन् शब्दस्य ऋत्वं भवति। तत्र ऋत्वं भवति चेत् तत्र अहन् शब्दे विद्यमानस्य नकारस्य ऋत्वं भवति इति अर्थः। पदान्ते इत्युक्ते यत्र यत्र पदान्ते अहन् शब्दः भवति तत्र नकारस्य ऋत्वं भवति इति उच्यते. So here if you take this prakriya, so nowhere in the prakriya here the starting point is nakara. So nowhere we can see nakara as a starting point, only either sakara or repha. Okay, and for ahan, the prathama bhakti ekavachana form is ahaha. The visarga comes. So how that visarga can happen? So now for that, what Panini does is he writes some additional sutrams like ahan, and he tries to make some changes to it so it can fall into this prakriya. So as per ahan sutram, what he says is, for ahans, if it happens to be end of the pada, the nakara will be replaced to nakara will get the rutvam. So aharu it becomes. The moment it becomes aharu, then it follows the same prakriya as this. So then the starting point will be this one, aharu. For that, ahas is not the starting point. Actual starting point is ahan. And there's a special sutram that converts nakara into rutvam. So it becomes aharu. So from here on, the same prakriya happens. Okay, example, let's see the example. So ahan sutrena aharu iti bhavati. Punaha tasya lopaha ahar. Punaha kharavasani avasajaniyaha ahaha. Okay, so in a way, even Panini is also trying to follow the same flow. If there is some special forms, if he gets, he tries to change that form to fit into this particular flow. So whatever possible changes he can do, so he'll do that change with some additional sutrams, and he tries to align that into this current flow, and the regular flow happens from there on. So in this case, ahan, aharu, ahar, ahaha. So this is a very simple sutram and clear. So next one is Tritiya bahuvachana pratyayam swikurma chet bhis iti pratyayah. Atra sita bhi marud bhi tatra sarvatra bhi iti sruyate tatra bhis iti pratyayah. Atra bhis ityatrapi subanta prakarane etad asmabhiः patyate. केचन सुप्रत्ययाः सन्ति, तेषां पूर्वं यद् अङ्गं भवति तस्य पदसंज्ञा भवति. अत्र भिस् इत्यस्य पूर्वं अङ्गं यदस्ति तस्यापि पदसंज्ञा भवति सर्वदा. So there are some pratyas. So we always say sub tigantam is the padam, but there are other cases as well. In the case of subantas, there are certain subpratyas like a bis. And before that, whatever angam which happens to be, that angam gets the padasanya. Even that angam is a pratipadikam, but still we get the padasanya for that angam. So here in this case, ahan plus bhis. So ahan is a padam now. So padante ahan asti, nakara asti, nakarasya rutvam bhavati, aharu bhis. Idanim the same prakriya happens. So aharu bhis. तत्र बकारः हशिच अत्र मृदुव्यञ्जनं बकारः हशिच इत्यनेन उत्वं भवति. अतः अहहु अहहु बिस्, ततः परम् अहोबिस्. So अहोबिस् is the form for Tritiya bahuvachanam for ahan shabda. Same for ahan, su. Again, before su, whatever angam is there, that angam gets the pada sanya. So, ahan su, aharu su, ahaha su, karvasani visarjaniyah, ahaha su, punaha visarjaniyasya saha ityenena ahassu iti rupam. Okay, so now this is an additional sutra we are studying just to understand how Panini, aligns that with our flowchart. Not our flowchart, but with our standard flowchart. So now the next sutra, Ro Supi. So this is the immediate next sutram for Ahan. So Raha Asupi iti padadvayam atra vidyate. Atra Ahan shabdasya iti anuvartate. Asupi, Asup pare. इत्युक्ते सुप् परे यत्र नास्ति तत्र इत्युक्ते अहं शब्दात् परं यत्र सुप् प्रत्ययः नास्ति तत्र इति अर्थः. तत्र किं भवति? रः भवति, रेपः भवति. So if there is a sup pratyaya after ahan and if ahan gets a padasanya, we get the rutvam. And if there is a ahan shabda and there is no sup pratyaya after that, then we get repa adesha. So what he says is, as per the previous sutram, ahan sutram gets the rutvam, so the prakriya starts from ru. If there is no sup pratyaya after that, the nakara will be replaced to repa. Then prakriya starts from here in the middle. So if there is no sup pratyaya, what he says is there is no possibility of uttvam or yatvam. Okay, so now let's go here for examples. So ahan. In this case, ahan plus ahan tatra sup pratyayah nasti. अतः नकारस्य रेफादेशः भवति. ahar ahan इति भवति. So now there is no other, there is no khar varna or there is no avasanam to become as a visarga, and there is no following repa varna, so it stops at repa. So the final form is aharahan. And this last ahan shabda, second ahan shabda, that gets the rutvam, and again because of avasanam, kharvasani visarjaniyah, that becomes visarga. So aharaha is the final form. So here there are two ahan shabdas. First ahan gets the repadesha, second ahan gets the rutvam. The final form is aharaha. So assuming that if this sutram is not there, this would have got aharu ahan. Then again, based on this ato rora plodada plute, it would have become ahorahan, ahoraha, ahohaha, something wrong, right? So just to prevent that, he actually starts the prakriya by giving a different adesha like repa adesha, and he starts the prakriya at repa here. From here only karvasaniya visarjaniya can happen, so it becomes visarga or it stays at repa. So there is no he completely avoiding that ukara here. And another example, ahan ganaha. So again ahan ganaha, here again I should have written ahan ganaha, again ro supi ityenena ahar ganaha, idanim ahar ganaha iti antimam rupam. So the takeaway here is the way the Panini thinks is, he thinks this is a standard flow. If he get any exceptions to it, he gives appropriate sutrams to bypass certain flows and start the prakriya on certain places as he wish to get the final forms. धन्यवादः. पुनः मिलिष्यामः.